everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So today's video is a very, very exciting one. It's my baby gender reveal. It was really, really hard for me not to give it away in my pregnancy announcement video. I had to keep cutting the sections because I kept saying what it was, but today's the day. We did do a little mini gender reveal with our immediate family, our little bubble, and we just like popped a balloon and all the coloured confetti came out, and then we posted the rest on Facebook. So our family and friends know, but you guys don't. So I'm gonna post the clip now. Really, really excited that it's a girl. We've made her the most cutest nursery ever. It's so cute, so pink, really pretty. Not too OTT though. But yes, it's a girl. It's so exciting. We've got so many really cute little dresses, and oh, this is so much cute stuff you can buy for a girl. So I'm really, really excited that it's a girl, and my partner's really excited for a girl as well. We do know the name of baby girl, but I'm not going to reveal that until she's born because it might change, you never know. But yeah, it's a girl. It's so exciting. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Really short, sweet video. Really exciting video though. Stay tuned for lots more baby related content and house content. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Bye guys.